everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a Bengali fish recipe which I'm going to make in microwave to make it very simple and quick. So this is a fish, this is called morola in Bengali, and you can do this recipe with any fish for that matter, which preferably has to be a little small in size. So for this particular recipe what I have done is that I have cleaned the fish and I have mixed a little turmeric and a little mustard oil, 2 spoons of mustard oil for this 400 grams of fish, and also salt in the fish. Apart from that, I'll be requiring mustard seeds, which I'll be making a paste of it, and some onions. And all of this will be done in microwave. So let's begin into the recipe. And before beginning it, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon for notification of my subsequent uploads. So now the first thing we'll be beginning with is making the paste of the mustard. So what I have done is that I have taken around 4 spoons of mustard with some chilies according to your taste, and then I'll be making a paste out of it. So now the fish has been transferred to a container which is a Borosil container because it has to be done in microwave, and we are just mixing it with the mustard which we made a gravy out of it. You need not completely drain out the mustard things which is there, but you can do it preferably from the top. Now mix it completely with the fish. And in the fish, as I have already mentioned, I have added salt, little turmeric and some 2 to 3 spoons of mustard oil. Add the amount of mustard paste along with the water also. A little water also was added in the mustard paste to make it a little watery. So add the amount of the mustard as much as you want the gravy to be. So here I have added out of the 4 spoons of mustard which I had taken, and I have added like another 3 spoons of water into it. I have taken around 3 spoons of the total mixture. So here is the complete mixture, and in it I will be adding the onions as well. Now the onions are just put from the top. We will be again mixing it. Some green chilies also if you like it. Then mix it well and let it sit for some around 15 minutes, and then we'll be showing you how it is to be done in the microwave. Now we have put the fish which is marinated for around 15 minutes with the mustard and the onions and the chilies into it. Now we have put it into the microwave, and we'll be putting it into the micro mode for around 4 minutes for one side, and then we'll be just slightly putting it on the other side and keeping it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Initially we are keeping it for 3 minutes. Then we'll be you can also keep it on around 4 minutes depending upon the quantity of the fish you have. I had here 400 grams of fish, so I have kept for 3 minutes. Even 4 minutes would have been fine. And then we'll be again starting the microwave by just putting the fish on the other side of it, and then again keeping it for another 4 to 3 minutes. Now that one side is being done for around 3 minutes that I put in the microwave, I am flipping all the fish in the other side, and will be again keeping it for around 3 minutes now. Just one thing, before putting on the next phase of the microwave, that is another 3 minutes which I have to put, I am also here adding some coriander leaves. This is just to add to the flavor of it. It adds a great flavor to the entire fish. If you don't like coriander leaves, you can completely skip it. It's completely up to you. And now I'll be again mixing the whole fish with the coriander leaves which is there, and then we'll be putting it into the microwave again. It is again put into the microwave. I'll be here now putting for 3 minutes. This is the next phase of 3 minutes. So after keeping it in the microwave for another 4 minutes and giving it another some standing time also, the fish is now completely done. You can see it looks so nice and it tastes equally good. So you can make this with this kind of dish of fish with any small fishes available out there in the market and which you will like. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have tried it already, how it was. And also if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for such amazing food uploads. So bye bye, take care, stay tuned.